In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Samcart. Whether you're an experienced educator or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate creating and delivering an engaging online course through Samcart in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Samcart. Once you're on the website, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account to access the course creation features. After logging in, look towards the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Go ahead and click on the Apps tab, which will take you to a section containing different integrations and tools available within Samcart. Next, locate the Installed section, and from there, find and select the Courses app. This app is specially designed to help you create and manage your courses efficiently. Once you've selected the Courses app, your next move is to click on the plus Create New Course button. This button will kickstart the process of building your course from scratch. In the Course Details tab that opens up, it's time to get creative. Start by giving your course an engaging customer-facing title, something that accurately reflects the content and appeals to your target audience. Alongside the title, provide a short synopsis to give potential learners a sneak peek into what they can expect from the course. To enhance the visual appeal of your course and provide a professional touch, upload a course thumbnail. This could be an image that succinctly represents the essence of your course. Additionally, here you can include a detailed description that further explains the course content, objectives, and any prerequisites if applicable. Once you've set up the basics, you'll need to organize your content. Start by creating units, which essentially function as chapters or sections of your course. Inside each unit, create lessons to break down the material into digestible segments. For each lesson, you have the flexibility to add various types of learning materials. You can incorporate text for written instructions or readings, embed videos from platforms like YouTube for visual learners, include downloadable files such as PDFs for further reading, or even offer quizzes and worksheets to test knowledge and reinforce learning. While developing your lessons, you can choose to mark them as drafts or publish them right away. If you opt for publishing, head over to the Scheduling tab. Here, you can decide how to release your content. Either provide instant access or make use of drip access, where parts of the course are released gradually over a predetermined schedule. Finally, once you've tailored everything to your satisfaction, you're ready to publish your course. Don't forget to assign it to the appropriate audience or group of learners to ensure it reaches the right people. By following these steps, you'll have successfully created a comprehensive and organized course on Samcart, ready to engage learners and achieve your educational goals. Happy teaching!